name is Ken Laundra. I'm an associate professor of sociology at Millikin University in the Department of Sociology and Criminal Justice. This project began as a class project in my Environmental Sociology class back in 2019, just before the pandemic hit. It began as a sort of a contest in my class to find the best lots in this neighborhood, the Torrance Park neighborhood, for renovating the many abandoned lots that are here. And so we approached Scott Wrighton, the city manager of the Decatur City Council, and he agreed to lease us these lots. We started to revitalize with this community garden and with this nature trail. It's sort of taken on a life of its own, and I'm really pleased about that because of what they're learning, their hands-on experiences revitalizing vacant lots like this, or sort of reviving a sense of community in the Torrance Park neighborhood. To come down here and actually see a place, a space like this, and to improve it by turning some of these lots into a community garden where we can provide residents with fresh fruits and vegetables to help solve this food insecurity problem is just wonderful. I feel like this can grow in an unlimited sort of way. Right now, we started small. We wanted to start small right here on these lots. We're going to expand next semester to Torrance Park proper, the actual park. With the help of the Parks District, we're going to be renovating down there. We're going to be beautifying down there, and also offering other health programs related to the fact that this is a food insecure area, because one aspect of food insecurity is not just access to fresh fruits and vegetables, but access to healthy living and education about healthy living options. Anytime I can get out here with my students and hold a class here, which I've been doing, and engaging with my students in a community-based learning environment, it motivates me, it sparks me, it's the reason why I became a teacher in the first place, to do stuff like this.